Hey everybody, Jane Bellante, Brand Ambassador for Paint Pixie. I have this really cool barn door. It actually came out of my friend's dilapidated pig barn. And so if you can imagine, it was really, really dirty. It had nails sticking all over it. So I cleaned it up and I am getting ready to use Blue Wave and Lil B to do some blending on here. Super excited. Okay, I'm starting off with Blue Wave, and I've got this duck egg blue color, and what I love about Blue Wave is, like, look at the area it covers. I'm barely putting any paint on the brush, and that's what's so awesome about synthetic brushes is they hold the paint so nicely. It distributes between the bristles so evenly. I'm going in different directions just to create texture. It's one of my favorite things to do. I love the variation of color here, and you know, kind of that dark popping out through this beautiful duck egg color. I am gonna add a little bit of cream color to this just to give it a really bright highlight, and then I am gonna move on. Okay, I have Lil B, and I barely have any paint on the brush, and it's only on like half the bristles, because I'm gonna use this, kind of come in here. I don't wanna come in with full heavy paint. So I offloaded quite a bit from the brush. And I just want to blend in some little highlights here, just to help your eye move around. It really will help with balance and dimension too. What's cool is that, you know, both of these brushes, I can get to perform like a chip brush, right? I can still leave pretty cool texture, but they maneuver and spread the paint so nice. It's really, really even. And again, I barely have any paint on the brush, so that's what I love about these synthetics, is that they really hold a ton of paint. And it distributes so nicely. So now I'm kind of switching back and forth from the duck egg to the cream color. And I'm just working on building my color. What's really fun is just to kind of drag it flat, and this has texture on it and it's catching the wood grain. And I have barely any paint on here, but do you see that? Isn't that cool? Okay, I'm loving how this looks. I may just sand it a little bit to bring out some more of the darkness underneath. And then I'm gonna use Blue Wave to top coat. I'm using a water-based top coat, and I've got Blue Wave again. And just watch and see how quick this is. This is an amazing brush. If you want to get things like base coats and top coats done quickly, this is your brush. Not only that, but it also blends like a dream too. So this was done in about 10 minutes using Blue Wave and Lil B. Blue Wave, it's wonderful. It distributes the paint, top coat, whatever, so evenly, and it has such a wide stroke that you can get big pieces done pretty quick. And then Lil B, you know, same thing. It distributes the paint, the top coat, the glaze, whatever you're using, really, really evenly and quickly, and these two both blend like a dream. So check them out, Blue Wave and Lil B. I think you're gonna love them.